In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a button go to another page in Card. In order to do that, first thing you need to do is you need to head over and then sign up for a Card account. You can do so by going to card.co. You can either log in if you already have an account or click onto this choose starting point in order to sign up and also design a website at the same time. Now in my case, I'll head over and then log in. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see your dashboard and you should be able to see all of the sites that you have created. So I have in here this existing site. What I can do is I can head over and add in here a button. So click on this plus icon that can add element. And then from in there, just click on this buttons option. So you can head over and click on it. Now on default, it will be added at the last page, but don't worry because you can choose in here the icon for your button. For example, let's make it an icon for art and it will look like this. You can also choose the label, the background, as well as other icons for that. Now, what we can do is we can move this button at the very top or wherever you want to put it. So, on my case, I'll head over and add it just like this. And then, in order to add in here a URL or make it go to another page, let's click on this URL. Let's input the hashtag and then let's choose in here the page that it will be migrated into. So let's click or just choose in here about. So let's also click on this button and rename it. Let's make it about button. Now as you can see, it's been added. Click onto the icon right here in order to publish your site. Then click onto this publish changes. Now this will publish the change that we have made and let's view this site. Now in here, once you have viewed this site, it should be able to show you in here our actual page. When you click onto this about button that we have created, it shows us to another page that we have. So that's how you make a button go to another page in Card. Hope we helped.